One day, a hungry crow was looking for something to eat. Cow, 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 cow. Suddenly, the crow saw a piece of cheese. Crow took the cheese and sat on the branch of tree to eat it. There came a fox. Fox was also feeling very hungry. Fox saw the crow eating a piece of cheese, and Fox wanted a cheese for himself. So the fox made an idea. He walked up to the root of the tree and spoke to the crow. "Oh, mighty crow, how beautiful you are! How glassy your feathers! How bright your eyes! Surely you have a sweet voice. Can I hear you sing a song for me?" The crow felt very proud on hearing this and began to sing. Caw! But the moment she opened her mouth, a piece of cheese fell down to the ground. The fox snapped it up and laughing. "Ha ha 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 ha! Thank you. That was all I wanted. In exchange for your cheese, I will give you a piece of advice. Do not believe everything you hear."